Yes.
Hello there. What is this product you are demonstrating?
It's a multi-light filler.
Multi-light filler?
In one filler. So you can do taping and jointing. You can fill cracks until 8 millimeters of thickness. You can leveling and skim coating too.
Skim coating, that sounds brilliant.
It has
And
a
what
good
do you do?
finishing.
And what do we do when we've got it to this stage where it's all trowel marks? Do we let that dry and then is it just sanding it?
Yeah, you can send it to 180 or 220. It depends on the finishing you want.
And then we can paint after it.
Yeah, you can paint.
That looks a brilliant product.
It's really good.
Yeah, I'd like to try that myself.
Applying really easy.
I'd really like to try that myself.
With the roller, it's really easy.
So how do you apply it?
With the roller, or you can use only a blades. Blades is good too, or screw works.
As easy as that?
Oh, it's so easy.
So I wouldn't need a plasterer, would I?
No. It's
No.
Really easy.
Anybody could do it.
Anybody.
It's brilliant. Thank you.
You're welcome.